The inspiration for the spa was very similar to what we were trying to achieve with Edge, which is to create a greater connection to the outdoors. And wellness really is an extension of that connection.
The spa on Celebrity Edge can be defined in 3 words: design, luxury and innovation. This combination will bring a truly unique spa experience.
What we've tried to do is to create that complete sensory environment that is tailored just for the guest. Celebrity was very fortunate to be able to work with the world-renowned designer Kelly Hoppen. She is a gifted artist who brings a sense of relaxation to what she has designed.
I mean, for me, a spa is a wonderful place to design. It has to be very neutral in my eyes, so we've used wonderful type of marbles and taupe woods and great textures, and the lighting's fantastic. So you want to feel like the moment you're there, you're enveloped in it. And then wherever you're going for a treatment, or you're going to the gym, you're having a shave at the barber, or you're having your hair done, it's an experience and it's exciting, and you're made to feel welcome, and I think we've achieved that.
The Sea Thermal Suite is a journey. It's a series of 8 different experiences that allows the guests to choose how they would like to spend their time. The concept started as trying to understand how we bring sea, earth, and air to a more tranquil, relaxed experience. The hammam is a beautiful steam room with a gorgeous heated marble slab in the middle, which you can lie upon and cover your body with salt to rid the impurities and to create a much softer skin. The rain room is a sensory experience of different pressures of water, leaving them feeling relaxed and refreshed. The steam room is lovely. It has both health benefits and relaxation benefits. The salt room was created to introduce halotherapy, breathing in salt to open up the airways. The concept of float was having a moment in time with no responsibilities except to float. The infrared feature of this particular sauna actually penetrates deep inside the cells to release toxins that have been stored there for many years. We have an area with heated tile bed loungers. The Crystallarium was designed to bring the concept and the power of crystal healing. We know that our guests are going to come to the spa always looking for something different. We feel that we've created something for everyone. The Sea Thermal Suite is available to all of our guests and is complimentary to the guests traveling in our Aqua staterooms.
The spa experience on Edge will differ from others because we bring innovation. There's a lot of firsts that we bring to Celebrity Edge. First, it's the Kerastase Institute, the brand leader in salon concept. The products are luxurious, the design is immaculate, the therapists are trained to a high standard. The first Ideal Image Ocean. Ideal Image is a recognised brand in advanced med spa, and we bring a lot of innovation into the treatment room through the tables. Our Well Massage 4D bed, crystal quartz bed and the amphibia bed, and that will enhance the guest experience in our spa therapies. Some of the unique offerings you can find on the menu on Celebrity Edge are the Aroma Spa CV massage, Power Poultice massage, hot mineral body boost, salt stone therapy, and the zero gravity immersion massage.
We have a barbershop on board that was designed by Kelly Hoppen, and we're even happy to bring them a drink while they're in there.
There are a lot of firsts in the fitness centre as well. You've got HIIT and LIT, which is your high and low impact interval training, hot yoga studio, bar classes, bungee, fitness on demand, ride indoor cycling. Peloton offers our guests who've perhaps missed their cycling class to come and do an amazing live Peloton fitness class on their own time.
And don't forget to visit the Aqua Spa Cafe. It's our area for the healthiest choices that we have on board.
In our ever-changing world, wellness is really not something that's an option, it's a necessity. Coming to the Spa on Edge is the perfect time to relax, to press pause, and the overall feeling we want that person to feel like when they leave is renewed.